Hello students, my name is Vijay Kumar and today onwards I will be guiding you for your ninth standard science and technology subject. So let's look. You are in ninth standard. First of all, I welcome you all in ninth standard and you are going to learn science. Usually we say that science, but I am very keen to give you a very basic understanding of your subject. You are not learning only science, you are learning science and technology. Okay, remember that. First, you have cleared now you are not learning only science. Okay, in ninth standard, you have to learn science and technology as a subject. Okay, then two very important words, what is science and what is technology? Okay, science. Science encompasses the systematic study of the structure and behavior of the physical and natural world through observation and experiments. आपण जो आपला विषय आहे विज्ञान आणि तंत्रज्ञान, त्यामध्ये दोन महत्त्वाचे शब्द आहेत. विज्ञान म्हणजे सायन्स, तंत्रज्ञान म्हणजे टेक्नॉलॉजी. तर सायन्स म्हणजे काय हो? सायन्स म्हणजे ज्यामध्ये आपल्या आजूबाजूच्या नैसर्गिक गोष्टींना एका सिस्टमॅटिक पद्धतीने त्याचं निरीक्षण करणे आणि त्यावर प्रयोग करणे म्हणजे विज्ञान होय. आणि टेक्नॉलॉजी म्हणजे तंत्रज्ञान म्हणजे काय? जे आपण सायन्स ऑब्झर्वेशन करून एक्सपेरिमेंट करून शिकलेलं आहे, त्या सायन्सचा उपयोग करून त्याला प्रॅक्टिकल गोष्टींसाठी उपयोग करणे म्हणजे टेक्नॉलॉजी. याचं एक चांगलं उदाहरण पाहायचं म्हटलं तर आपण घरी बटन दाबल्यानंतर आपलं बल्ब सुरू होतो, त्यातून लाईट येते. तर हे कसं काय सुरू झालं? तर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इज अ सायंटिफिक थिंग. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कसं काम करते, त्यातले काय घटक आहेत हे सायन्समध्ये शिकलं जातं आणि त्याचा उपयोग करून आपलं दैनंदिन जीवन कसं सुकर करायचं, कसं त्याचा यूज करायचा, ते टेक्नॉलॉजीमध्ये आपण त्याचा अभ्यास करणार आहोत. अजून आपल्या दैनंदिन जीवनाचं जे आजूबाजूच्या परिसरात ज्या छोट्या मोठ्या वेगवेगळ्या हालचाली होत असतात, जसं की झाड बीज आपण जेव्हा जमिनीमध्ये सॉ करतो म्हणजे लावतो, तर ते बियापासून कोंब तयार होतं, त्यानंतर छोटंसं रोपटं तयार होतं आणि त्यानंतर ते मोठं झाडात रूपांतर होतं. तर हे कसं काय होतं याबद्दल आपण त्याचं निरीक्षण करतो, त्याच्यावर वेगवेगळे प्रयोग करतो आणि त्याचा उपयोग करून आपल्याला चांगले आंबे किंवा जास्त फळ देणारं झाड कसं आपण हे करायचं, ते आहे टेक्नॉलॉजी, ते आहे तंत्रज्ञान. सायन्समध्ये आपण काय शिकलं, ते कसं काम करतं, काय यावर जर आपण हा प्रयोग केला तर काय होते, हे कळल्यानंतर आपण त्याचा उपयोग करून ते आपल्या फायद्यासाठी कसं उपयोग करता येईल, ते आहे सायन्स अँड टेक्नॉलॉजी. तर आपण काय शिकतो? सायन्स ॲज अ असं म्हणतो, पण तो आपला सब्जेक्ट आहे सायन्स अँड टेक्नॉलॉजी. हे प्रथम क्लिअर झालं आहे. ठीक आहे. तर आपण सायन्स, मग आपलं जे टेक्स्टबुक आहे, जे महाराष्ट्र गव्हर्नमेंटनं निर्धारित केलेलं आहे, ते असं दिसतं. ओके, तर टेक्स्टबुकमध्ये आपल्या काय काय भाग आहे ते आपल्याला पाहायचं आहे, कारण की आपण पूर्ण सिलेबस जो आहे तो या टेक्स्टबुकमधून पाहणार आहे. आणि हे जे टेक्स्टबुक आहे, तुम्हाला फिजिकल जर तुमच्याकडे नसेल तर काही प्रॉब्लेम नाही, हे ऑनलाईन तुम्हाला उपलब्ध करून देण्यात येईल. तुम्ही ते मोबाईलवर पाहू शकता. त्याची लिंक वगैरे तुम्हाला देण्यात येईल. ठीक आहे. तर म्हणून यामध्ये काही टेन्शन घ्यायची गरज नाही. ठीक आहे. सो स्टुडंट्स, लेट्स नो अवर टेक्स्टबुक. When you have purchased, if or not, no problem, we will provide online digital copy of this textbook, which is freely available on Bal Bharati site. You can download, or we will give you a link, you can download from there. When you see book cover, you will see some pictures. There is a earth globe. After that, there is two men helping each other. There is something structure like ball. There is a bulb. This is some picture showing that what we are going to learn in this textbook. Okay, so let us see what exactly included in our syllabus. Okay, student, this is your digital copy of your science and technology textbook. Okay, this is look like this. You will know when you have this type of book. After that, this is the first page, this is second, this is a Constitution of India, this is a national anthem and pledge, this is a preface for teacher, and what common thing you, please, I request you all to read preface, what is they are offering, for it is addressed to students. So expect that, please go through all this, you read, it is for you. Okay, it has very important things, how you have to study, what it include, like that, observe and discuss, try this, let's try this, activity like thing, and for your, how you should go through this book, how to study this book, because it has so many activities. If you want to learn science, then you have to do activity, experiment, and from that experiment some output is coming, and that output is your learning. Okay, so this book, please read this preface. Okay, everybody, open book and read this preface, it's very important. Okay, got it? Okay, let's move forward. This is our first lesson. Before that, we will see what lesson we have to learn in this textbook. First is law of motion. Second, work and energy, current, electricity. Okay, measurement of matter. In first chapter, law of motion. And that very basic law of motion will be taught. In that, very important is Newton's law. Newton has described three laws which are really basic and very helpful in your further study in 10th standard, whenever you go, and for 10th standard, for 12th, or graduation, anywhere you will need these three laws of Newton's, which are very basic and very important. In second chapter, you will be familiar with work and energy relation, how it converts, how it will calculate it with respect to other energy types, means heat energy, electricity energy, like that. In this too, you will become into knowledge of different type of units, CGI, like the system. Okay, after that, we will, in fifth chapter, we will look in acid, base and salt. What is acid, what is base, and what are salt? We commonly know known salt is, every day we are using NaCl, sodium chloride, which are used in everyday food, correct, for test. Acid, what are bases, we are going to look in that. Classification of plant. Now we are moved into living things. Classification of plant, different types of plants. Okay. After that, energy flow in ecosystem. How energy is flow in ecosystem. After that, useful and harmful microbes, because now we are in lockdown. Why? Because of coronavirus. Coronavirus is a type of microbes, small tiny viruses, different type of microbes are very important in everyday life. Some are useful and some are harmful. Like coronavirus is harmful for human, it causes death and illness, but some are useful. You said microbes are useful, really? Yes. I will give you a daily in your home. If you are eating a curd, दही, जर तुम्ही दही खात असाल तर तो दही बनवायची जी प्रक्रिया आहे, दुधापासून जे दही बनतं ते युजफुल जे बॅक्टेरिया आहेत, जी युजफुल बॅक्टेरिया आहेत त्याचा यूज करून बनवलेलं असतं, ज्यामुळे की माणसांना त्याचा काही त्रास होत नाही. उलट ते दुधाला अधिक पौष्टिक आणि माणसासाठी आपल्या ह्युमनसाठी उपयोगी बनवतात. कर्ड इज अ व्हेरी न्यूट्रिशियस फॉर अवर हेल्थ. सो दिस process is making milk in transforming into curd is a phenomena caused by microbes which are useful to human. Okay. After that, environment management. Okay. After that, information communication technology, reflection of light, it is also very important topic, reflection of light. After that, study of sound, how sound travels, because you are watching this video, because I can transmit signal from ICT, information communication technology, and you are in your mobile, there is a small sound, and from that you are getting my voice. Okay. These are these chapter which you are going to learn. These are our natural phenomena and which are very basic, in that you don't have to do so much what experiment and all that. You have to just observe how they reacting, how they are uh, 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 doing their work, how they are reacting with humans, how they can be useful to human. These scientific things we are going to explore in this subject. Okay. Now, and other are, you can watch this these chapters. See, these are we are going to complete in this syllabus. Okay. This is a just an introduction video. I don't want to go deep into the syllabus, so let's move into our how we are conducting our lectures, how will be our video, how you will be uh, studying this type of course, because I am not visible, I am only giving a you video type lesson. So your queries, how to solve, if anyone has any doubt, how they will ask to me. These type of question are obvious. So let's see how I'm going to solve your question. And we have seen our textbook. Now our study plan, how we are going to study. Okay. First, I will make a video and post to you. You have to watch it, understand it. After that, there are quizzes. Quizzes means some 5 or 10 questions which will make you more clear what you have watched in video. After that, assignment. I will ask you to write down some question, definition, or answer in your notebook and give it to me for checking how it will be, because lockdown you cannot come to my home and I cannot come to your home, so it will be done online. Our platform is building, so it is taking some little time. When it will be complete, I will guide you all these things, how to complete all these things. Okay, after that, exam is very important, because what you have learned can be only be analyzed through exam. So we are going to take exam also. So you have to study the given video, you have to read your textbook. After that, you have to complete quizzes daily, and you have to complete assignment. And after that, whenever exam is declared, you have to give the exam and analyze your understanding about the subject. After all this, anyone have any doubts? Means, sir, I can't understand this type of phenomena or these things or that thing. Then it will be cleared in Zoom meeting or Google meeting. We will be online. We can see each other. You can ask me your doubt, question. I will try to make you clear understanding of the subject. I will solve your doubt. Okay, so no need to worry. You are rest assured, be rest assured. I will make you every concept very much clear, crystal clear. You don't will have any problem on that. Okay, just you have to do regular study, regular video watching, regular quiz solving, all this what I have mentioned in this video. You have to follow this routine. Okay, and it will take your only 1 hour and 1 hour and 15 minutes maximum, not more than that. In a day you have to give science 1 hour to 1 hour 15 minutes to complete understand this subject. Okay students, this is only a introduction video. So after this video I will start first chapter. Okay, see you there. Thank you.